Hello and welcome back to the channel. So this video is part of the On the Way to 27 playlist, where the aim of the playlist is to document me trying to get to a 90% or better stick rate on video, which I have achieved once or twice already, which I'm really proud of. Right now, this is number 9 in the tests. The other idea was I wanted to do fortnightly or 2 weekly tests, so that would be a 26 test during this year, which is also 2026. So it's like a little bit of number play, you know. Now I'm keep going, even though I have achieved the goal that I've set out. I keep doing the tests because now I kind of slightly shifted the idea. Would like to see if I can get to the average close to 90%. Okay, I don't know if I'm ever going to get an average better than 90%, either on the tests or during training. And during my weekly training, not weekly, like I have two sessions with the screwdrivers a week, sometimes 3. I can't get to past mid 80% average. Okay, I have a couple of really good ones. I never had a perfect set this year, but I had a couple of when I had one miss out of 30 throws. Okay, but we'll see. So for those who are new to the channel, this is test number 9, as I said. The test done from 3.2 meter, just to ensure that I always beyond the 3 meter mark, even if I accidentally step through. And also that's where the edge of the carpet is, so it's a nice natural line. Also, it's a one video, one test type of deal. So on test day, when I figure out it's gonna be a test day, I warm up, turn on the camera, explain what I'm doing, and I get into it. No retake, doesn't matter how bad. I mean, even if it's like 50% stick rate, doesn't matter how bad it is. I'm also running kind of a competition rules. If a screwdriver falls out, doesn't matter why does it fall out, if it gets hit by other and falls out or falls back and so on, before I retrieve it, before I finish the set of 5s, it does not count as a stick. Okay. And this is it. 6 sets of 5. Okay. And yes, I know I have been told, why would anybody wanna throw screwdrivers? Well, because I enjoy it, and I'm a little bit nostalgic too. These square shanked Fuller screwdrivers, then Fuller doesn't make them anymore, or at least we can't get it around here. And these are the ones that I started throwing this time around. I started with military house pin, and then I moved to nose pin. But screwdrivers have tendency of handle breakage, so I lose 1 or 2 a year, and I would like to get that magic 90% before I run out of my stock. Okay, which, as I said, I have achieved it on camera once or twice, but now it's just see where it takes us. I have committed this year to this, so might as well, or part of my training during this year. Enough talking, let's get throwing, right? So let's reset the counter. 6 sets of 5. Let it be. That's almost out. Over rotated. I will need to retape one of the handles because Robin Hooding them damages the end. But for now, it is what it is. That's not looking good. So set number 4, 4 drops. That's already below 90%. We'll see. So this is below 90% stick rate already. Right, so it's six miss out of 30 throws, which is a exact 80%. That's not my worst, it's not the best either, but as I always stated, it is what it is. It's going to go into the books, and there's a video evidence on the channel, and yeah, we'll try again, keep at it all year long until the end of the year. Yep, thanks for watching, bye.